Alrighty, welcome back. I'm in the middle of nowhere, looking at a tank or a gun hauler tank sort of deal thing here, and I do not know anything about what's going on with this thing. I just seen it on the marketplace, and I'm interested in it. And the reason being is where do you see something like this? You know what I'm saying? So basically, I'm here in the middle of nowhere. I met a couple people that said they knew who owns it, and basically I'm just looking at it. Just gonna move that now, would you? That's that plastic wood, sweetheart. We've got an engine in it, and it's sitting in there. I'm not sure. Okay, right, see how it goes on. Ah, that would go in there and drive that, no doubt in my mind. That's a shaft that would go in and drive that. Drive the rear end, obviously. Just gonna pull this wood off for a second. I'll put it back on. That's some good looking stuff, to be honest with you. Some heavy. Wow, that's heavier than a piece of wood would be. Just kind of wondering what's going on with it, or even what it's about. I've seen a couple cars mounted on top of these things before. The track's kind of, wow, it's kind of a different track. I've never seen anything like that before. But if you come up close to this and look at this bad boy, you can see, or I can see, there's a shaft right here, obviously, with a bearing on it. That goes in there and runs that rear end, no doubt in my mind. Or maybe the smaller one does, I don't know. That one, maybe that one goes in there and runs that, to be honest with you. That would run that rear end to get that rocking and rolling. So you'd have to make a drive shaft for it, which doesn't seem to be like it would be that hard. We have an engine sitting in it. From what I understand, it's a 301. Gee, it just seems, what can I say? I don't know what to say. This must be the steering. Gas pedal down there. See the gas pedal? I'm guessing that's the gas pedal down there. Gas pedal down there. The brake down there. Shifter down there. I'm not sure what that would be there. You probably need a tank to move it. I'm not sure what to say, to be honest with you. I'm not sure what to say. Hard to believe, but it's not rotted out, isn't it? It's not rotted out anywhere. See any holes in it? He said that he was going to bring a battery. His son was see if he'd get the engine going. Yeah, there's a carburetor on it. There is a carburetor on it. I was wondering if there's even a carburetor on it. Everything's there. Ah, gee, that's some hot. I don't know what to say, to be honest with you. Probably think I'm crazy in the head, do you? Huh? Jolene thinks I'm crazy in the head, boys. Jolene thinks I'm crazy in the head. This one does not have any. They must have built that up or put that on there because the rubber wheel's gone or something or other. I'm not sure. The rest of them have rubber on them. That's the only one that doesn't. 1, 2, 3, 4 got rubber on them. And check this side out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that back wheel does not have rubber on it. It is what it is. And it is some Doesn't seem like a big deal to hook an engine up in it, that's for sure. I'm just thinking everything that would be on it would be probably seized, if you know what I'm trying to say. No manifold on this side. So basically it's just a, well, I guess it's a gun carrier they called it, did they not? A gun carrier with a track on it. I'm not sure what to say or what I'm even thinking. I wouldn't mind mounting, we have that old 4-door Chev that we made into the Bugatti looking toy thing. I just thought that car would look pretty cool on this thing mounted on there, and it would. It's just whether, wow. You would never tow that onto a trailer like our trailer. You'd never pull that on that. You would absolutely destroy it, no doubt in my mind. It'd probably be seized in every way. From what I understand, the brakes would be seized on that. How many feet long is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. He was right on that part. He said about 12 feet long. That's basically where the engine goes right there, and then you would set your car body on top of it. I'm not sure. We tried to get a hold of his son there. He said he would call us back, but he's not here at the present time. What do you think of it, Jolene? You're quite taken back by it? Seems like a big piece of rust to you? Yep.
Probably pay more just to transport it than you would for... Buying it to spend money on it.
What's that?
You'd be buying it to spend money on it.
I agree. Yeah. Alrighty. What we're going to have to do is we're going to have to think about it. It is what it is. It's a big chunk of metal that probably everything is seized on it, no doubt in my mind. Does the motor turn? Not very easily, nope. Alrighty. That's a pretty cool unit though. It really is. It's a cool unit. I don't know what to say about it other than that. That with a car on top of it going down, like moving, that'd be pretty cool. Alright, that's where she is. We're going home. We tried to get a hold of him. He did not get him back with us, so we're just going to cruise on. It's pretty cool though. See what happens.